Welcome to BI Knowledge Point. Today I am here to explain you how to create dynamic title through Power BI. Now let's begin. So we are in here in a Tableau desktop. Now I am going to create one simple report, category by profit. Okay, and here writing okay another report and then category column bringing on the color. Okay, now I'm going to create another report and then name as title. Here what we require, drop and drag category column in detail section and then category column in column section and then again category column in filter section. Okay, and then go for show filter, and after that we have to come on sheet side and then click on here show title. Okay, later on after completing this task we have to change that polygon. Okay, so now our two report completed. One is report, another is title. Now I am going to make a new dashboard. So coming in the new dashboard side, going to take title and report category by product profit. Okay, so now see we got. Now what we required, you come to here and use filter. Okay, now if we are going to change, like here I am going to click on office supplier. See, title is going to change dynamically. Now I am going to select technology. See, it is coming to technology. So this is very good features. So whatever field we are going to select, automatically reflecting on title side. So that's all for today video. Catch you in the next video. Please like and subscribe my channel.